welcome you all to learn English with Saraswati Group of Education. We have already completed chapter 2. Okay? So today we are going to start with chapter 3. What is the name of the chapter? The name is also very interesting. Can you read that? It is the fifth golden ticket. Okay? And this chapter is about a little boy who wins the last and the final golden ticket. Now, for what is this ticket? Where is this ticket going to be used? Why was the boy so excited to win this? Why? All these questions will be answered. Okay, but for that we will have to go through the procedure first. As we learn new words all the time in all the chapters, here also we have to learn the new words which we are going to come across in the chapter. Okay, but believe me, this chapter is really interesting and I am going to share some other facts also related with this chapter in the next session also. Okay, when we will start with our explanation part. This is our vocabulary time. So stay focused and learn all the new words. Okay? Please, if this video lecture, if you are watching once and you are not getting the words in your mind, watch it again. Watch it repeatedly till the time you understand the words and till the time you learn the words. Okay, it will be beneficial for you. Now, please stay focused and start learning the new words.
Let us go through the new words which we are going to come across in chapter 3, the fifth golden ticket. Okay, let us see which are the new words. The first word is hurricane. Hurricane. Hurricane means a violent storm with very strong winds. As you can see in the picture. Okay, you can see very strong winds which are shaking the trees also. Okay, and all the stable things. If you want to use the word hurricane in an example sentence, then you can use it like, my family was stuck in another city due to hurricane. That means they were unable to come to this city where I am situated or where I am living. Okay? And it happens usually when there is hurricane, when there is very strong wind blowing, violent wind blowing. At that time all the transportation and all the things are stopped and it is affected greatly to the common life. Okay, let us see the next word. The next word is a group of words rather. Okay, that is an idiom which is pulling our legs. That means an expression meaning to joke. As you can see in the picture is showing literally pulling the leg, but that is not the meaning actually. That is, you're joking. That means you are telling a joke. If you want to use these words in a sentence, you can tell it like, is this chocolate for free? I hope you're not pulling my leg. That means I'm confirming that you are not joking, right? This chocolate is free. I don't have to pay for it. Okay? Let us see the next word. The next word is shoveling. Shoveling. Shoveling means using a shovel to move earth or snow. Here earth does not mean the planet, okay? Earth means mud. That means a shovel. You can see a shovel in the person's hand here. Okay. So that is a shovel which is used to move the snow, to move the away. Okay, to clear the ways. If you want to use the word shoveling in a sentence, you can use it like, the people living in foreign countries have to keep shoveling frequently as there is continuous snowfall there. Now this happens in our Kashmir also, because there also it is continuously snowing. Okay, there is snowfall. So the people, they also use this shovel to clear the paths. Let us see the next word. The next word is swarms. Swarms. Swarms means, that is the word which is a collective noun to describe a group of insects. Now can you see the black part in the picture? That is swarms. That means so many insects together. Okay, they fly together and that is known as swarm. If you want to use the word in a sentence, you can use it like, the swarm of locusts destroy the crops. Now locust is a type of insect, okay, a type of grasshopper which destroys the crops. The crops are ready to reap and they come and eat and destroy them. Okay, let us see the next word. The next word is clatter. Clatter. Now this is not a new word. We have already studied this word in the first poem, The Sounds of the Evening, right? Now the meaning of clatter is a continuous rattling sound as of hard objects falling or striking each other. That means the the objects are banging with each other and then this sounds come. That is clatter. Okay. If you want to use the word clatter in a sentence, you can use it like, you can hear the clatter from the kitchen when my father takes the turn to cook sometimes. Okay, now generally fathers do not have any practice of cooking every day. Okay, so here if father is working in the kitchen, then naturally the sound is going to come ting tong doom dum, that is clatter. Okay, fine. Let us go to the next word. The next word is absolute. Absolute. Absolute means total. Okay, total means completely. Now you can see in the picture it is given 100%. 100% means total part, complete part. Okay, if you want to use the word absolute in a sentence, you can use it like, I am in absolute happiness since I have heard about the long vacation. Okay, that means I am completely happy. I am totally happy since the time I have heard about the long vacation. Let us go to the next word. The next word is dare. Dare. Dare means have the courage to do something. Okay? Now, if you want to use the word in a sentence, you can use it like, my friend dared me to dance on the table. That means my friend challenged me that, come on, let me see that whether you can dance on the table or not. Okay, and I danced. That is a dare. So my friend challenged me. My friend told me to do something. And if I am having the courage to do something, that is I am having the dare to do something. I dare to do something. Okay. Let us see the next word. The next word is verdict. Verdict. Verdict means an opinion or judgment. Now you might have seen many scenes in the movies also where the judge is giving a judgment. Okay, so that is known as verdict. Verdict. If you want to use the word verdict in an example, then you can use it like, the thieves are going to hear the verdict today. That means the judge is going to sentence something. The judge is going to say something about the thieves, that what punishment are they getting. That is known as verdict. Let us see the next word. The next word is marvelous. Marvelous. Marvelous means extraordinary, extremely pleasing. That is known as marvelous. Okay, if you want to use the word marvelous in a sentence, you can use it like, he knows the marvelous card trick. That means he knows some extraordinary trick of cards. Okay, he knows the marvelous card magic trick. That means he knows something very nice, very extraordinary. Let us see the next word. The next word is tremendous. Tremendous. Tremendous means very great in amount or intensity. Okay, that means very many things. If you want to use the word in the sentence, you can use it like, tremendous amount of color combinations can be made from these colors. That means from these colors we can make so many combinations of different colors. Okay, let us see the next word. The next word is escorted. Escorted. Escorted means accompany someone or something somewhere. That means accompany someone or accompany something somewhere. Now, as you can see in the picture, okay, there are some important people in the country. Okay, they are the prime minister or the president or some leaders which need protection. So, if you want to use the word escorted in a sentence, you can use it like, the president is always escorted by the commandos. Okay, as you can see in the picture, the president is a very important person for the country, so he is protected all the time. Okay, let us see the next word. The next word is procession. Procession. Procession means a number of people or vehicles moving forward in an orderly fashion, especially as a part of ceremony. Now for this meaning, a simple word which I can tell you is our Rath Yatra. Okay, if you have seen sometimes on the TV, Rath Yatra is the greatest example for procession. Okay, Rath Yatra is the biggest procession in India. That is the example sentence. As you can see in the picture. Okay, 3 chariots of God are moving and so many people and vehicles are moving with the chariots. Okay, so that is known as procession. Let us see the next word. The next word is morsels. Morsels. Morsels means a piece, a small piece or amount of food or something which is a mouthful. Okay, enough for having one bite. Understood? Now, if you see the picture, there are small strawberries and chocolates kept over there, which we can eat in one time, in one bite, and that will be our mouthful of chocolate. Okay? So, if you want to use the word morsels in a sentence, you can use it like, these morsels are really tempting. Let us see the next word. The next word is fluster. Fluster. Fluster means make someone agitated or confused. You can relate with the picture. See, that person is confused, having question marks in the mind, so many question marks. Okay? If you want to use the word fluster in a sentence, you can use it like, My friend was flustered by his brother at the time of examination. So it may happen that we may go for help to somebody at the time of examination. Now instead of helping, that person will fluster us. That means that person will make us confused more. Okay?
Along with this video lecture, you are going to get a worksheet as you know. Okay? In the worksheet, you will find one question. In the question, it is match the following. Match A with B. Okay? In the A part, all the words which we have learnt in this session are written. The new words. And in part B, all the meanings of the new words are written. But as you know, there is a twist. All the new words are jumbled. And you will have to find the correct meaning for the correct word. And you will have to fill up the worksheet. Okay? Now, as you know again, there are two types, there are two options in the way which you can do the worksheet. Either you can take the printout of the worksheet or you can write the worksheet in your rough book. Okay? But I want to tell you one more thing. Please remember, by using this video lecture, the PPT which I have shared in this video lecture, you have to copy all the new words and their meanings one time only in your class workbook. Give the title, okay, write the title of the new chapter, chapter 3, the fifth golden ticket, like that way on the top of your class workbook, and copy all the new words and their correct meanings in your class workbook one time. Understood? Now, if there is any word which you do not understand or you have concerns or confusion about it, then you can ask me during the live lecture. Okay, I will sort out your doubt. See you in the next lecture.